thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you guys are having fun over there and doing amazing things. So guys, I'm back with another interesting quilling earring video, which is really easy and which is really cute. And in case you love quilling earrings, so I already have made a lot of quilling earrings video. So please go and check them out in my channel. So guys, without talking too much, let's see how to make it. So firstly, take two different colors of quilling strips and paste them together with using glue. I'm here taking blue and white contrast. And now we have to make a ring. So I'm wrapping my strip around my Fevicol bottle and wrap it like this. Now our ring is ready. Secure the ends using glue. And apply some glue all around the ring. And now we have to make a small ring. I'm here using one blue color strip. And I'm wrapping my strip around the bottle cap. So our small ring is also ready. Secure the edges using glue. And now we have to give this ring a triangle shape like I am giving it. So just press gently it between your fingers. And we have to do the same with the small one as well. And now paste both the rings together. Now we have to fill the empty area with tight coils. So for that I'm taking here my white strip and just making a tight coil. So I have created 4 more different sizes of tight coils. Now I'm going to paste all the tight coils inside the ring. So assemble all the tight coils. So here we are done. Now I'm going to make a small ring for the earring hook. So just make a tight coil. And attach it with your earrings. And now insert the earring hook. So guys, it's ready. I have created the pair of it. So guys, isn't it looking cool or beautiful? I know it does. So guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope that you found this video enjoyable and I made it interesting for you. So guys, if you really like watching it, so please share this video with your friends, with your family, and give this video a big fatty thumbs up. Or if you haven't subscribed to my channel, so please guys do it right now, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the latest updates. So guys, I'll meet you very soon with the next interesting topic. Until you have fun, keep doing great things.